At family-owned North Hollywood Toyota, the fun starts in our parts and accessories superstore.
Then we install the parts on your car to get you on the road as fast and as safe as possible.
Then when you really have fun, we'll fix up your car and get you back on the road again. It's no accident that we met.
Whatever your needs are, be it service, customization, and maintenance, your Toyota is safe with us at family-owned North Hollywood Toyota. Schedule your next appointment for service, body shop, or order parts online at www.nohotoyota.com or stop by today.